Unveiling Billionaires' Best-Kept Secrets. These secrets go far beyond amassing wealth. They reveal the principles, habits, and philosophies that have led to their astounding success. We'll be delving into the art of wise investments, the audacity of innovation, and much more. So get ready to unlock the vault of knowledge that billionaires have guarded for so long, and embark on a journey of discovery and transformation. Number 1. The Power of Secrecy. Behind the scenes, these billionaires master the art of discretion, guarding their financial maneuvers, and shielding their private lives from prying eyes. They harness the power of secrecy to build empires, create disruptive technologies, and negotiate deals that reshape industries. This approach provides them with a competitive edge, enabling them to foresee market trends and make investments shrewdly. The power of secrecy goes beyond mere privacy. It's a strategic tool that allows them to control narratives, protect their assets, and leave an enduring legacy, all while staying out of the public spotlight. 2. Stay hungry for success in business. A crucial facet of the world's most prosperous billionaires' journeys. These individuals understand that the pursuit of success doesn't stop with the accumulation of wealth. It's an ongoing hunger that fuels innovation and strategic thinking. This drive compels them to adapt, take calculated risks, and consistently seek opportunities to further expand their influence and financial prowess, ensuring they remain at the forefront of their respective industries. 3. Knowledge is power. These astute individuals have honed their success by constantly seeking knowledge and staying ahead of the curve. Wealth isn't the sole focus. Knowing where to invest, when to take risks, and how to turn challenges into opportunities are paramount. These billionaires' best-kept secrets often involve the mastery of various fields and continuous learning. They understand that knowledge is the key to unlocking new doors in a world full of possibilities. This approach transcends industry boundaries, shaping their decision-making and propelling them towards unprecedented heights. By harnessing the power of knowledge, they not only accumulate wealth, but also leave a lasting impact on industries. 4. Communication. In the world of billionaires, effective communication is an indispensable tool that sets them apart. They understand that it's conveying ideas with precision, building strong networks, and fostering collaboration. Their best-kept secrets involve mastering the art of communication in various forms. Whether negotiating complex deals, inspiring teams, or addressing global audiences, billionaires excel in the realm of effective communication. It's the key to aligning visions, resolving conflicts, and maintaining a magnetic presence that paves the way for their monumental success. Their ability to convey information clearly and persuasively, combined with active listening, not only facilitates their wealth accumulation but also empowers them to influence markets and transform the world. 5. Nurturing family bonds. It's creating a strong support system that transcends wealth and financial accomplishments. These billionaires recognize the significance of maintaining close ties with their loved ones, fostering a sense of unity, and instilling values that endure for generations. Their best-kept secrets often involve balancing their pursuit of business excellence with quality time spent with family. They understand that wealth without strong family connections can ring hollow, and as a result, they prioritize family bonds, ensuring their success is not just financial but also deeply personal and fulfilling. Attention-savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. 6. Achieving work-life balance. Their best-kept secrets revolve around harmonizing the relentless pursuit of business excellence with personal well-being and quality time. By setting clear boundaries, optimizing their schedules, and making time for relaxation and family, they've cracked the code to success that's more than just financial prosperity. These billionaires understand that a balanced life fuels their creativity, innovation, and decision-making. It's this equilibrium that not only sustains their wealth, but also ensures that their success is a holistic and fulfilling journey, setting an example for those who seek to follow in their footsteps. 7. Personal development. Their paths are marked by an unwavering commitment to self-improvement, a pursuit that goes beyond amassing wealth. The wealthy understand that honing their skills, nurturing their emotional intelligence, and expanding knowledge is an ongoing process. They invest in themselves, from reading voraciously to seeking mentors and practicing mindfulness. This relentless drive for personal growth not only propels their financial achievements, but also enriches their lives in profound ways, making their success a holistic and enduring venture. It's a lesson that underscores that true success is measured by the progress we make in becoming our best selves. 8. Investing. The art of investing takes center stage as one of their most coveted secrets to success. Their wealth, not solely a result of earnings, but a product of strategic investments. These billionaires meticulously allocate their resources in a diversified portfolio, carefully selecting ventures that align with their long-term goals. They know the importance of calculated risks, thorough research, and staying ahead of market trends. Moreover, they understand that investing extends beyond finances. They invest in knowledge and emerging industries, creating a profound, multifaceted wealth that stands as a testament to the power of strategic investments. 9. Balancing risk and reward in investment. This is a critical component of their most guarded success strategies. They've honed their ability to navigate the complex financial landscape by carefully weighing potential risks against the promised rewards. Their best-kept secrets revolve around understanding that calculated risks are key to achieving substantial gains. These billionaires don't shy away from investments with potential pitfalls. Instead, they conduct meticulous research, diversify their portfolios, and leverage expert advice. Their unwavering belief in the power of informed decisions not only fuels their wealth accumulation, but also allows them to thrive in a volatile market, demonstrating that success at the billionaire level is a calculated venture into the world of investment. 10. Health and wellness. Prioritizing health and wellness is another secret to success. These elite individuals recognize that true wealth extends beyond finances and includes a healthy mind and body. Their best-kept secrets involve a commitment to regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and stress management. By investing in their well-being, they ensure peak performance and sharp decision-making abilities. Health and wellness form the foundation of their success, allowing them to withstand the demands of their ambitious ventures, while setting an example that underscores achieving billionaire status is also about the rich wealth of health and well-being. 11. Hire help. Their ability to delegate tasks and build a team of experts is a cornerstone of their accomplishments. These billionaires understand that they can't do it all on their own, and that their time is most valuable when focused on high-impact decisions. Their best-kept secrets involve assembling a skilled support system, whether in the form of personal assistants, advisors, or top-tier employees, to handle the daily tasks and logistics. This strategic delegation empowers them to channel their energy into innovation, creative thinking, and strategic planning, setting a powerful example that success is also about building a trusted team to drive their ambitions to fruition. Success is not a matter of luck, but a product of strategic choices and unwavering dedication. Throughout our journey, we've delved into the strategies employed by the world's most affluent to attain the pinnacles of wealth, influence, and innovation. While these insights are undoubtedly invaluable, they serve as more than just blueprints for financial prosperity. They are a testament to the human spirit's boundless potential to transcend limitations and rise to unparalleled heights. It's essential to remember that these secrets aren't reserved exclusively for billionaires. They are lessons we can all learn from, adapt, and apply in our own lives. Whether it's mastering the art of investing wisely, nurturing a growth mindset, or finding a harmonious work-life balance, the journey toward personal and financial fulfillment begins with knowledge. The wisdom shared today is a reminder that, regardless of where you stand now, you possess the capacity to transform your life, your community, and even the world. So take these secrets not just as a guide, but as an invitation to embark on your own journey, to unveil your unique potential, and to create a life of meaning and purpose. Remember that the pursuit of billionaire-worthy success is about fulfilling your personal vision and making a positive impact on the world. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's one worth taking with determination and an unwavering commitment to growth. We're honored to have shared this exploration with you, and we look forward to the remarkable achievements that lie ahead as you apply these secrets in your own life. Stay hungry, stay motivated, and keep striving for excellence.